Thanks so much. All right, cool. I'm gonna play a couple more tunes. This is a tune off of my second album, which was like a very experimental jazz record that we did live in my basement in front of a bunch of my friends. My manager loves this. He's like, just write like a hit, dude. And I'm like, no, I want to do like an experimental jazz record in my basement in front of my friends. So my name's Kieran, and it's a Gaelic name that means dark one. I was looking up meanings of it, and another meaning is Twilight one. So this is a tune called Twilight one. When the last light falls, my soul is spun into fabric soft and warm to touch. When the day is done, my will is none. I get down on my knees and I praise the sun will always rise in the morning. And why does it always mean that he's adorning with gifts of his lightness and warming? Everywhere I go, he follows me. My mama called me Twilight one because I live on horizons. 'Cause when the last light falls, my soul is spun into fabric soft and warm to touch. When the day is done, my will is none. I get down on my knees, 'cause I was made to love and weaving dreams of your face, and love and wonder if you come to my place. 'Cause you don't weigh me down when I heavy. Got some time, I need some more of you. I can really see when you're around. Your energy makes such sweet sounds like ooh. Faster than the moon to horizons, and I'm the twilight one, midnight sun. I get down on my knees and I praise the sun. Thank you so much. Alright, what's on now? This is our last song. Thanks so much, everybody, for listening. I really appreciate you sticking around and hanging out. My name's Kubla, once again, and before I get to the last song, is anyone familiar with my music already? Is anyone here familiar? Is there anything that somebody wants to hear that I have not played? Pardon me?
The Bee Gees one you do?
Oh, the Bee Gees one? I could do the Bee Gees one. Alright, sure. Why not? Is it okay if we do two more, Asha?
Yeah.
Cool.
inspired by the P.J. Morton. Y'all know P.J. Morton? Check out P.J. Morton. Incredible gospel soul artist from the States. And he did a version of the song that is very similar to this one.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Then you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly. But it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. It's 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down like they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you, 'cause you hold the door to my very soul. You're my light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you, but you know deep down inside I really do. But it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down like they all should let us be. We belong to you and me.
Any last minute requests? Yeah, what do you want?
Ain't no sunshine?
Ain't no sunshine? Yeah, I'll do a little Ain't no Sunshine. What do you want to hear? Way in the back.
Me?
Yeah.
You're such an amazing guitarist. How about Red House by Jimi Hendrix?
Red House?
Yeah.
I don't know Red House.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay though.
All right.
I'll do a little bit of
I know it, but I
others and
can't
then.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It ain't warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's going to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, 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 baby, don't leave your day alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening, everybody. This is my last tune. It's called Bodies Dancing. Again, I go by Kubla. It's Kubla. If you saw my YouTube channel or checked out my music, I appreciate it all. I'm really lucky to get to do this for a living, so it's not lost at all.
I need a hero to myself in the woods. I need some distance from the shirts and the goods, where I can feel these moments passing and dream about our bodies dancing. I feel so lonely, I get sick of myself. I need a spoonful of your love